come in just a little bit. This time I have my inner tube, so I'm not going to drown, so you guys don't have to worry about that. The hurricane kind of missed us. We've just been getting rain off and on. And also I was trying to vlog for you guys the other day, and I dropped my phone in the water, and my driver's license was in my waterproof case as well, and unfortunately both of those were lost in the ocean, as well as one of my new water shoes. So it was kind of a bunch of unfortunate events that day. But today there's pretty good sized waves, but not too rough. So it's a nice day to use my inner tube, other than the other day when I was using this and I lost my phone. But yeah. I thought you guys would enjoy watching me float around a little bit in Oahu, Hawaii, in the ocean. So enjoy. See if I can catch some waves for you. Woo. You guys can see that there's quite a few people here. Having so much fun. The food is really good here. A lot of the businesses were closed the past couple days, so it was kind of hard to find a good restaurant to eat at. But a lot of people were eating at Burger King because that was like the only restaurant open, which I thought was kind of funny. All open now. Even the mall was shut down, but we went to the mall today. I bought a few things. I'll probably do a Hawaii haul for you guys so you guys can enjoy to see what I bought. Floating away here. You guys can see the mountain. And I do have my GoPro attached to my wrist, so I'm not going to drop it and lose it. Woo. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever been to Hawaii and what your favorite island is to go to. We'll definitely come back another time, especially when the weather's going to be better. It's been kind of cloudy and raining off and on the past few days, but it seems to be getting better slowly, as you guys can see. I'm gonna let you guys go and enjoy these waves. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy these kind of videos. I'll try to do more before we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't made a purchase from my Silky Seduction soap shop, go ahead and do that. I'll ship those out as soon as I get home. Thank you guys so much for your support. Have a wonderful day wherever you're in the world, and please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!